Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out of your TikTok account from all devices. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. This is a quick and useful tutorial, especially if you think someone else might have access to your TikTok account or if you logged in on another phone or computer and forgot to log out. I'm currently inside the TikTok app, and the first thing we are going to do is open our profile page. These steps are exactly the same on both Android and iPhone. From the profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now go into Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Security and Permissions option. Tap on it and then select Manage Devices. Here, TikTok will show you a list of all the devices where your account is currently logged in. You'll also see your current device listed, so you can easily recognize it. If you notice a device that you don't recognize or no longer use, simply tap on it and select Remove. Repeat this process for any other devices you want to log out from. And that's it. Now you know how to log out of your TikTok account from all devices and keep your account secure.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.